See the old witch.
I think it's a bit late. Did you get the house?
Yeah.
Oh, she thinks she might have done.
Let me see it.
Caution, troll ahead.
Oh, there's a troll.
Hey, he's got a tape player. Where's the troll? There it is. Under the bridge. Clip, clop, clip, clop. Get some of the things, George.
I'm video.
Get the troll.
Oh my god, it's a troll!
I thought it was laughing. That's supposed to be a goat. Oh, there's a goat.
Oh!
Scary, isn't it?
Yeah.
Caution, cave.
I got do that.
No, there's a cave ahead.
There's a cave!
It's Aladdin's cave by the looks of things.
Can't get his head in. Just ignore me, Jacob. Wow.
Grandma's house ahead. Grandma's house ahead. Here comes Grandma's house.
Grandma's house. Woo.
Where's Mama's house?
It's coming.
There it is.
There's Grandma's house. Get the house then.
Oh.
There's Grandma's house. Does that look like Grandma's house?
I'm knocking on the door.
Yeah.
Try to get in.
Does it look like Grandma's house? Grandma's not in.
It's the big bad wolf. Oh, you can see it over this side. Oops.
She had an axe.
Abby looks having like showing fun.
Jacob. Hello?
Yeah.
That wolf. Next sign says, beware fallen tree.
Oh no!
A moose.
There it is there. Behind us. Don't remember this?
Oh, you know we've gone down the hill.
Don't know.
Check it, ready?
Ready? We go down.